My name is Sunday Bada. I am here to teach you guys how to solve mathematics question from the topic of ratio, proportion, and percentage. We have this question. Let's solve it together. The annual profit of a transport business were divided between the two partners, A and B, in the ratio 3:5. If B received 3,000 more than A, the total profit was. Now, this question is given to us. Let's calculate what A gets and what B gets. The total of the profit they share, we don't know. That's what the question is asking us now. Now, let's assume that the total of the profit we are looking for is X. Let the total profit equals to what? X. The total profit equals to what? X, we don't know. And A, what's A going to get? A is going to get what profit? A is ratio 3. A, B. Now, A is 3 according to their ratio. What is the total of their ratio? 3 plus 5 is what? Is 8. This one is A, while this one is B. The profit the A is going to get is 3/8 multiplied by the total of the profits that we don't know yet. Therefore, 3 times x, 3x over 8. B is the profit for A. Now, profit for B, his own ratio is what? 5. 5/8 multiplied by the total profit, which is 5 times x is 5x over 8. This is the profit B is going to get. Now, I want to illustrate something. For example, if I say 7 equals to 5, is it possible? It's not possible. For example, if I say this one is B and this one is A, this one is not part of the question. I'm just using this one as an example. I'm driving somewhere. Here, B is greater than A with what? With 2, because the B is bigger than A by 2, which is 7 minus 5 equals to 2. Therefore, for me to have the equal, for them to have equal, what am I going to do? The B is greater than A by 2. Therefore, I'm going to increase that 2, add it to the A, so that they will be equal. Something like this, 5 plus 2. Therefore, the difference that the B is greater than A, I'm going to add this to this one so that they will be equal. 7 equals to 5 plus 2. This one makes sense. Now, we are going to do the same thing here now. A equals to B. And we were told that B received 3,000 more than A. For me to have equal things, it means that I'm going to do what? Say A plus 3,000 equals to B, for me to have equal profit that they share. Now, how am I going to do it? I'm going to say, what is our A? Our A is this profit 3. Yes, what is my A? My A, the profit A got is 3x over 8 plus 3,000 equals to, what is B? B got 5x divided by 8. 5x divided by 8. Now we are going to substitute for the x. This x represents what? Total of the profits they share. Now, what is the LCM? The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply each by 8 because the denominator is 8. The LCM equals to what? 8. I will use 8 to multiply this. I will use 8 to multiply this. And I will use 8 to multiply it. So that I can substitute for the x, which is the total profit they share. Now, let me go to the next page. Now let me go to the next page. I don't want to clean this page up. Our SCM is 8. The reason why we have this 3,000 is because the A is lesser than B. 3,000. B is greater than A by 3,000. Therefore, to have the equal, to be equal, it means that we are going to add the 3,000 to the A. Now let's go to the next page to continue from there. Now this is our question. Now, like I said, that we are going to multiply the denominator, which is the SCM, 8, to each one. Now say 8 multiplied by 3s divided by 8 plus 8 multiplied by 3,000 equals to 5x divided by multiplied by 8. Now divide this. 8 cut out, 8 cut out. What do we have left? We have 3x plus 8 multiplied by 3,000. It means that 8 multiplied by 3, that it's going to give me 24. Therefore, I'm going to have 24,000. 24,000 equals to 5x left here. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to collect like sign. Collect like sign. This 5, okay, let me say 24,000 5x. When the 3x jump equal to, it returns to minus. There's nothing in behind the 3x. It means that there's an invisible plus there. If we didn't see anything, by the time it jump equals to, it will change to minus 24,000. 5x minus 3x is going to give us 2x. Divide both sides by coefficients of s, which is 2. 2. 2 here 1, 2 here. Yes, 2 here 1, 2 here 1. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. 2 in 4, 2. What do we have left? We have 12,000. Our x is what? 12,000. We have 12,000. This is the total profit the company share. Let's go to look, let's check the previous page to check our answer. The question say, what is the total? The total profit was. Therefore, our final answer is what? 12, which is C, 12,000 naira. Final answer is C. 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 That is it. Thank you for listening. I remain Sunday Bada. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video like this.